So here we have a wonderful pile of puppies. Those are Heidi's girls. All of them, but this one in the middle is Digger, the boy. So these three here are the girls. You got the yellow ribbon, the red, and the purple. And then this one here, boy. Hi, boy. Yeah. So Digger's going to the family that has first pick for a boy. And then I kept Duke on my lap here. And then I have this little one. Yeah. Hi, honey. Hi. It's cold, isn't it? Yeah. So where you're at, where you stay with your mom, the floor is 98 degrees. Let me get over there. You want some warmth? Yeah. Does that feel better? See, that's why your sisters are all in a pile. There you go. Now you're better. And here's Duke. Yeah, Duke says, I've got the best place ever. Oh, time to take a nap. Yeah, hi, Duke. That's a sweetie. A little sweetie, aren't you? Yeah. Uh-oh, your brother, he's getting up here. I better hear. There you go. How's that? He says, oh, that's much better. Just much better, huh? Duke! Hey, Duke! Yeah, can you see Duke? Who's a sweetie? Yeah, little sweetie. Little sweeties. Yeah, little Duke, and got your brother there. He's much happier now that he can stay on my lap and take a nap. Okay. It's nap time. Time to go back to their mother. Not good timing for a video when all they want to do is sleep. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, honeys. Say goodbye.